I want to talk about two things. The first is going to be the open range breakout, which I talked briefly about, and I'm going to continue talking about within the Tesla chat today. But the open range breakout is very important if you're a day trader or if you're trying to figure out what the trend for the day will be. In the Discord at 9:42 a.m., I posted that we had some calls coming through for Tesla, specifically the $135,000 10-6 calls that came through. I said the 10-6 AA, which means above the ask. This specific part is very important, and I'm going to explain in detail how you can tell if it's an AA or not. But AA stands for above the ask. And since the market, including the options market, is nothing but an auction, if somebody comes in above the ask, it means they do not care what the fuck the price is. They just want to get in, and they will fill no matter what. And this is very important because it's showing us that a whale is very greedy. And most of the times, whales will not show their emotions or show you what they're doing. In this instance, if you guys are somebody who watches Flow a lot, I explain this in our channel a lot, but if you watch Flow a lot, you'll understand that they try to hide their orders and they try to actually not trigger specific systems. But you guys can see here, these calls right now are up 4.4%. The other calls are up 2.34%, which is very nice. So that unusual type of buying coming in above the ask and showing that they want to get in no matter what, that is a very, very good sign for us. Now, one thing that I want to do is take a look over here on the left side of your screen, and we're going to look at this 1 minute chart. This is called an open range breakout. And the open range breakout, or ORB, is going to be this line you see up here and this line right here. And all this is showing you is what was the average range of the stock within the first 15 minutes of open. So, if you were to look here, basically means that the highs of first 15 minutes of the day was 250.50, and the lows of the first 15 minutes in the day was 248.60. Once we get a clear break above the top of this open range breakout is when we can say that we are going to be long for the day, because we're trading over the top 15 orb. And that's where I think that we'll probably see that move on Tesla back up to 260, which we're obviously flirting with that level right now. If we were to get rejected, pull back down to 249 and break that 15-minute open range breakout at the bottom, that is where we could see the move back to 240. So I'll keep you guys posted with all of the flow either on Twitter or on Discord, because both of those are much faster than here. I usually post them to both, so make sure you follow both of them, but it's much faster than relaying information via YouTube. I'll come back at the end of the day and we'll look at the S&P 500. We'll go over the bigger time frame for Tesla. We'll go over any flow that has come through for the day, and we'll make a plan for how we're going to tackle next week. If you guys want to trade with me every single day, get access to all of my trades, my day trades, my swing trades, my leaps, all of our AI trading bots, which are coded by myself or my team, and access to all of our live streams and all of our trades, you guys can do so completely for free your first month. Just go to the description and go use the second link, and for free for an entire month, you'll get access to everything that we offer. And the reason that we do this is to prove to you guys that, number one, we're legitimate, but number two, in a society nowadays where attention is everything, if you are going to actually go through and dedicate your time and your attention to us and to our curriculum, we want to make sure that you are rewarded for that, because we want to be surrounded by only the best people and only the most dedicated people as well. So thank you guys for all the support. I'll see you guys later. Peace.